Hi, in front of me I have Imilab W11L smartwatch, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications on your watch, you need to pair your watch with the Android phone via the GloryFit application. Once the devices are paired, we can continue and open the GloryFit application on our phone. In the app, you should see the home screen. Now tap on the device icon to open the device page for your W11L smartwatch. On this page, we have call reminder, SMS reminder, and app reminder. First, let's tap on the call reminder. If you want to receive the notifications about calls, you need to allow some permissions, as you can see. So let's allow them like that. And then we can enable the option by tapping on call reminder. And we can also customize it a little. We can enable the option to reject the calls with a key. So basically, if you enable this option and then press and hold the button on your watch, you can reject the calls. Next, we have delayed reminder. If you enable this option, if somebody calls you on your phone, you can delay the reminder on your watch. So for example, if you want to receive the reminder on your watch a little bit later than on your phone, so you can react before the watch will start vibrating, you can enable this option, tap on delay reminder, and select the duration. And we have from 1 to 10 seconds, like that. Okay, once you're done with the calls, you can go back, and now let's tap on SMS reminder. So if you want to get the reminders about the messages, you need to allow the permission, tap on the switch to enable it, and that's all. Now you should be able to get the notifications about the SMS on your watch. And last thing is the app reminder, and here we can enable the reminders for the applications. Let's tap on confirm right here and scroll down, find the GloryFit on the list of apps. Basically, we need to enable the notification access for the GloryFit application. So find it on the list, tap on it, tap on allow to enable it, and once it says allowed, you can go back to the application. And here we can enable and disable the notifications for specific apps. As you can see, we can do it for YouTube, enable it, Messenger, enable it, Gmail, enable it. And if you want to disable it, simply taps again on the switch. You can also scroll all the way down, and at the bottom you have option called select more app. Tap on it, and here you can tap on select more app again, and now you should see the list of applications installed on your phone. No, it's not the list of all of the applications, but as you can see, we have quite few. I'm gonna select Discord because I want to receive the notifications from Discord, so I can show you it works. So I'm gonna select Discord, then go back, and Discord should appear right here on the list, on the push message. That means it's enabled for it. And now I'm gonna send myself a message on Discord. As you can see, I received it on my phone, and I should also receive it. Oh, I did on my watch, but because I wake up, the screen and disappeared. So if I swipe upwards on the screen to open the notification menu, here we have it. Here's our notification, and we can, I believe, tap on it to read it. We can go back, and we can also remove them by tapping on the pen icon. Okay, and that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.